Hello. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 8, which is the 11th generation of iPhone released in 2017. It features glass back support and has a longer battery life than its predecessors. However, it's still expensive to buy. Apple are selling it for £479, which in my opinion is still too high to pay for an iPhone that came out some years ago. If you do shop around, you can get one for half the price. So this is not the iPhone 8 Plus, this is the 4.7-inch iPhone 8. It's a 64GB and comes in rose gold. Okay, let's get the box open. And there are the original Apple stickers that you get when you make an Apple purchase. Some people like to use those. Put them to one side. We also have a quick starter guide with a slim eject tool which shows you how to remove and input your SIM card. So that will come in handy later on. Okay, this is the iPhone, which comes with white front. The sides are aluminium with a rose gold effect. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the back of the phone has a glass back, enabling the use of QI inductive charging. However, it doesn't feel very durable. You would need a protective case. It does feel like it could shatter. The phone is water resistant and dust resistant as well. As I mentioned before, this model comes with 64 and 256GB storage. It comes in silver, gold or space grey colour options. I believe it did come in red, but they've stopped doing that colour now. It weighs 1.48 grams, which is slightly heavier than the iPhone 7. Okay, let's see what else we got here. It comes with a set of Apple Earpods. Unfortunately, these are not the AirPods. Apple didn't supply those with the phone. It does come with a 3.5 meter headphone jack adapter. You have to charge it through the phone's power supply. So the problem with the iPhone 8 model is that you cannot charge the phone while having the headphones connected, as there is no earphone jack. So you have to put the earphones through the power charge slot there. So you won't be able to basically listen to music, etc., whilst it's charging. So that's one of the defaults of the iPhone 8. But apart from that, it is a good phone, a good model to buy. The iPhone runs really well on the iOS 13, so still a few years left to get support. So just press here to open. And this is the default background you can see there. So let's see some of the features. It has a Retina HD display which has been upgraded to support True Tone. And I'm going to open the camera, which is a 12 megapixel rear and a 7 megapixel front facing camera, which is pretty decent. I'm just going to try and focus on this object here. It's good quality, good for general use. We can also zoom in and out as you would expect. Looking okay. And even has time lapse. And it also has a slow motion along the bottom there. You can select slow motion. It does have other features along there, and I will be testing that out in another video, all the video features and the quality, etc. It has a 4K video with 60 frames per second. Okay. It has a touch ID fingerprint scanner. The phone can be unlocked with the Apple ID, iTunes and Apple Store, the Apple Play and Apple Autofill. This is quite good when using the Apple Store when you're making purchases online, as you don't have to fill in your card details each time, so that saves you a bit of time each time you buy online. You can also add another fingerprint, so if you're worried that one finger might not work, you can add another finger to help verify your identification to unlock your phone. Another cool feature is Siri. Let's test that out.
What's the temperature in this room?
It looks like you haven't set up any HomeKit activity.
What's the temperature like in New York?
In Newark, the United States, it's 2 degrees.
What laptop is the best?
The Mac. If it weren't for the Mac, I wouldn't be here.
I don't like you.
I'm trying my best.
What are you, Siri?
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Okay, the battery talk time is 14 hours, internet use is 12 hours, video playback 13 hours, audio playback is 40 hours, fast charge is 50% in 30 minutes. And now I'm going to test how good the games are, how well they perform on this phone. And I'm going to test this game, GTA. I've never really played this game on iPhone. I usually play them on the PlayStation console.
Okay, so this is the performance of GTA 3 on the iPhone.
So just get my head around this. Okay.
Oh, wait. Wow, this is so cool. Goodbye, laptop.
The iPhone 8 is good phone for high graphic gaming. The GPU is 30% faster. So let's see this in action. As I mentioned before, the display size is 4.7 inches, which is smaller than the iPhone Plus 8. But it's not too bad playing the game on this phone. The resolution is 7334 by 750, which is the same as the iPhone 6. So, I mean, I can't believe the quality really. It's very impressive. There's no problems. It's running smoothly. So quite a decent phone to get. As I said, it is quite pricey if you're buying it from Apple, but I'm sure you can buy it cheaper elsewhere if you shop around. And that's the phone, and that's it. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please leave a like. Don't forget to click on the notification button to see more videos. Do apologise that this video didn't go out on Sunday. I wasn't feeling too well, so had a bit of a virus, but I'm okay now. I've recovered. Yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I might have another video out this Sunday as well. So I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.